Hey everybody, more cowbell here. Haven't posted in a while, but got a 2019 Honda Monkey, and battery died on me this year. Factory battery is a little YTZ5S YUASA. Didn't want to spend $100 some bucks for a new one, so thought I'd try the Mighty Max battery. Got on Amazon. Model YTX4L-BS. So just slap that in. Just a couple screws. Remove the seat. Pop that on. Bike started right up. Gonna see some of the reviews on these are mixed a little bit, but it sounds like most people have pretty good luck with them. So run this for a while and see how this holds up compared to the factory one that lasted about 4 years. And at some point I'll update the review. All right, have a good one.